See that?
Yo guys, look, it's snowing. Snowstorm chase. Gotta get quick before it stops snowing. So let's get in. We got my dad today back. Let's go.
Oh, it's a blizz.
This will be like the best chase ever we done. Yo, dirty snow right there. Remember the trio chases we used to do at Landon?
Yeah.
We used to do them at night.
That's rough.
Wow, that means things are bad. Dang, the roads, bro. Another plow. Gosh, so many. Let's go, Blizzy gang! Get out of the way! Woo, subscribe! Look at the lake, guys. Did you guys see the lake? Did you see the lake? Whoa! Look at that!
Mad plows. That thing's huge. Hey.
Guys, look.
That thing's huge. Hey.
Look at those things.
Dirty snow. We're going into downtown.
Yeah, those plows were like... Dang. How many plows have we seen in this video?
4 or 5.
Dang.
That's the 5th one.
Yeah, February 6th, we're taking you to the Blizzy.
To the Blizzy!
It looks way different. Like last year, I was like... Oh, we were in... Oh, another plow! We were in your car, so it was like big.
Stop at Turk while we're here.
Bad. I'm not getting a haircut.
Trim. Oh, there's another one!
Another plow! Oh no! Plowing Turk's road. Aw. Those giant plows. 2 plows. That's another one.
Snow blower over here.
That's not the same one.
That's snow blowing.
That's not the same one. Another plow. Yo, what is that?
What is it?
It's like a crane.
Isn't that a bus stop or something?
Yeah, there weren't any.
Oh, wait. Oh, no.
Oh,
Huge
another plow. Yeah, we remember there were none at
Yeah.
first one. Okay, we don't have Blizzy juice today. We have this. A drumstick.
Blizzy drumsticks. Chocolate in the bottom. I think they usually have chocolate down here.
Dude, what is happening? There's an ambulance. Never mind. They're just getting Chipotle. Dirty snow.
Dirty snow.
Dad, how high is the snow? Like, how much feet?
Probably about 4 inches.
Dang, people are shoveling. We told you taking you to the Blizzy. There ain't no Blizzy. I don't see it. Temple of Time. Temple of Time's right there.
Temple of Time.
That hurts. Oh, bro. My dad still has his drumstick that he has to eat. I just finished mine and I put mine over there. Bickford Hill. Take us to the Blizzy, Bickford Hill. Media.
What'd you have for?
I don't know. Guys, the lake is right here again. There's the lake.
Look at that plow.
Where?
Over there, Dunn's parking lot.
Oh yeah. Look at this lake. Look, this plow looks so weird. snowing non-stop for the past like month. Come on, we gotta see at least one more plow. Come on, one more plow. Where are the plows at? They were everywhere. And
That's sliding out. You see that?
yo!
Oh!
I got that on video.
Look at him. Still fishtailing.